Uno nel día también.
Hi friends! My insulation has arrived. Finally. And they have replaced the acoustic insulation and wood boards that were damaged. It took them a while. Not only did they replace them actually, they didn't even take the other ones away, so they just gave me more.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.
So now I have more of these boards and I have to find a use for them, but that's fine, I'm sure I will. So now I can start on the insulation, but I'm actually going to change my schedule of events because I was going to do the shelves after doing the insulation, but I've decided for the shelves I want them to stay at door height rather than being at the height to where I painted the line. So I want it to be a little bit lower. So because I want to get the height of the insulation perfect, I want to do the shelves first and then do the insulation. So shelves first it is. Got to measure that, and then insulation. I'm especially excited because I've been away for a couple of days and I've taken a break for a little bit, and yeah, I'm just really excited to get back into working on the room and getting it finished. I think in a week's time it'll probably be done, so a couple more videos and then we'll be done. Let's go.
Oh, I got gold, yeah. The feel so, yeah. Catch me running the streets. I'ma be home taking a heat. I got goals, yeah. I'ma do what feels right, and everything else goes. Energy for this year is not me good, leave me alone.
Let's move that back. Probably gonna have to bring it along with me actually. Check that they fit. Okay, that's a perfect fit. Nice. Okay, definitely gonna need probably all 4 of those. Now comes the question of how am I going to get it up there by myself? And I just gave the other set of ladders away, which I probably shouldn't have. I think I will have to screw them in. I'll have to screw the brackets into the shelves now, then somehow get it up on the wall, draw my dots, drill into the wall. I'm gonna have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6, maybe 8. Okay, we could do it. Yeah. Two, 2, 2. It's gonna be there, and then we're gonna have here. And there. And here.
wanna smoke it, but you can buy it up, oh, out tonight. Bend, yeah, okay, good. Oh, oh. Definitely gonna have to do some paint touch-ups. Okay, you guys are gonna have to tell me how this looks because I am gonna have no idea. Whoop, whoop. Should have got my level out, but oh well. Yeah. Okay. Whoop. I am tired. So I think I'm gonna leave this here for today. I have a whole day tomorrow, half a day tomorrow in the studio. So I need to be fresh for that. And I'm hungry and my arms hurt from cutting this by hand. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this here for today and I will see you tomorrow. Hi friends, good morning. It's Sunday. Well, it's not morning anymore, but I have been doing some work on the room, mainly this wall. I basically cut out the final piece to go at the top. It aligns perfectly with my paint line, so that means my paint line is pretty level, which I'm really happy about. I haven't secured it to the wall yet. I need to. Apparently, they say that you can just glue it with adhesive. So I'm going to glue it with the adhesive, but in one of the top lines, there's going to be a shelf, which I'm going to screw into the wall anyway. So I think that should give it some extra rigidity, but they said adhesive is fine. So I have some, is this the adhesive? Yeah, adhesive fix, which should be good for revestimientos, which means like wall fixtures. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, but I am pretty thrilled with the way it's looking right now. And I did it on the horizontal. And if you're wondering why I did it on the horizontal, it's because when you look at lines on a horizontal, it makes things seem wider. And since the room is quite tight, I wanted to make it seem wider.
So that's why I did it on the horizontal, because when you do it on the vertical, it makes things seem taller. But honestly, the room is tall enough. It doesn't need to look taller. It just needs to look wider. So that's why I chose the horizontal. It was a lot more work for sure. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and glue it to the wall, and then I will be back to do the shelves probably. Cool. 1-2 step. 1-2 step. Wanna get started. I'm sorry. So now, girl, why you do me like that? Be right back, wait a minute. Drop to my knees. Fucking know me. Believe in messages, you know what you owe me. Hi friends! I couldn't show you the rest of what I did yesterday. It actually wasn't yesterday, it was Sunday, because I ran out of storage and needed to fix that. So let me show you what I did. So as you saw, I finished putting up the shelves and they are looking awesome. I also started making the desk out of an old IKEA desk that I had. I needed to add a section to the end, so I cut the back off and then used some of that to add to this strip here. And then I glued everything together, and then I started caulking or filling in some of the holes and gaps so that I can get ready for painting.